Hello 3D printer peeps, hello Creality 3D printer users. I'm here on Creality Cloud and we are going to look at the process for updating one of your 3D printers using a Creality Wi-Fi cloud box attached to a Creality printer. With a Creality Wi-Fi cloud box attached to your printer and set up, you will be logged in to the Creality Cloud via crealitycloud.com and will simply click on over to Workbench. Here on the Workbench, you will see a list of your printers currently connected to Creality Cloud. Here are resin printers. Here are your FDM printers. Clicking into there, you will see a list of your printers. Here's my new K1, and here's my Ender 3 Max, my S1 Plus, my CR10 version 2, and their online status. Notice this is not the status of the Wi-Fi cloud box, this is the status of the printer. Notice right here, my Ender 3 Max named Jenna tells me my firmware version is too low and there's an update available. This is not the firmware for the printer, this is the firmware for the Wi-Fi cloud box. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to show you the newest version of the firmware and the version you have installed. Here again is the newest version, and here are the notes to show you what's new in the firmware. To update that cloud box, just go ahead and press update now. A new version is available, blah, 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 update. It is now going to download and install that new firmware to the cloud box. It will then restart the cloud box, and you'll be able to return to printing. And there you have it, Jenna successfully updated. Press OK, and it will now show you your current version matches the new version. You can return to your device manager, and you're ready to continue using your printer with the current firmware. The Creality Wi-Fi Cloud Box is an excellent addition to any of your offline Creality 3D printers that gives you access to wireless printing, firmware updating, and other features through the Creality Cloud app and website, and it is something that is definitely worth your time. The entire system has come a very long way since launch, and I highly recommend learning to use it. I will leave a link to the Creality Wi-Fi Cloud Box in the description.